Next statement sum, fourth one. Nasrin bought 3 meter 20 centimeter cloth for her shirt and 2 meter 5 centimeter cloth for a trouser. Find the total length of cloth brought by her. Okay, so here two units we can see, meter and centimeter. Okay, when will we use meter and centimeter? We use meter and centimeter to measure the length, yes or no? Okay, for measuring length we use the measurements meter and centimeter. Okay, so here cloth, so cloth we have to measure the measurement of cloth. Okay, so we have to find the length. Okay, so what is the unit used? Meter and centimeter. Okay, now here we can see meter and centimeter. Okay, we will convert it to one unit and we have to add total length, no? So we have to add them. Okay, so we are seeing this statement problems under decimals, no? So first we have to convert. Okay, meter and centimeter, it is in meter and centimeter, so we will convert it into one unit and then we will add. Okay, now going to the solution. Solution for fourth one. Okay, here the cloth for shirt is given and cloth for trouser is given. Okay, 3 meter 20 centimeter is for shirt and 2 meter 5 centimeter it is for trouser. Okay, we have to find the total length. Okay, so total length means, total means we know we have to add them. Yes, so 3 meter 20 centimeter plus 2 meter 5 centimeter. We have to add this two. Okay, so here one is in meter and the other is in centimeter. So what we are doing, we are converting this centimeter to meter. Okay, so in both centimeter we have to convert it to meter. Okay, we know already 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, from this what is 1 centimeter? 1 centimeter will be equal to 1 divided by 100 meter. Okay, this is the formula. Yes. Now 1 meter is 1 by 100 meter. Okay, 1 centimeter is 1 by 100 meter. Now this centimeter and this centimeter we have to write it in meter like this. Okay, so here 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter is equal to, how can we write this? Can I write it as 20 divided by 100? Yes, so 20 centimeter is equal to 20 divided by 100. Now this 20 divided by 100, we have to express this in decimal form. Okay, 20 by 100 is fractional form. How can we write a fraction into decimal form? Look into the denominator. Denominator, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. Okay, so numerator, okay, we have to place decimal point before two numbers. Okay, why two numbers? Because there are 2 zeros in the denominator. Okay, so I can write this as 0.20 meter. Okay, 0 before two numbers I have placed a decimal point. Okay, why am I putting 0 here? There is no number, that means there is a 0 there. Okay, so 20 centimeter is 0.20 meter. Okay, same way this 5 centimeter also we have to write it in meter. Okay, so 5 centimeter will be equal to 5 divided by 100 meter. Okay, 5 divided by 100. So denominator there are 2 zeros. Okay, so numerator there is only one number. Okay, so we have to add a 0. Okay, so decimal point should be placed before two numbers. So place decimal point. Only one number was there in the numerator. So since there are 2 zeros in the denominator, I am putting 1 0 here. Okay, so point before the decimal point also 0. So 0.05 meter. Okay, now what can we do? Now this 20 centimeter we have written it in meter, and this 5 centimeter also we have written it in meter. Now we can put it here and we can add. Okay, now 3 meter. Okay, 20 centimeter is what? 0 point, so plus 0.20 meter. Okay, so this plus 2 meter, okay, 5 centimeter is what? Plus 0.05 meter. Okay children, this step is clear. Okay, now 3 meter and 0.20 meter. So add them. 3, 0.20. Okay, so 3 I have written. No numbers. So place a decimal point, add 2 zeros. Okay, now you add them. So 0, 2 and 3. Okay, decimal point is before 2 numbers. So place a decimal point before 2 numbers. Okay, same way. So now here it is 3.20 meter. Okay, now here also 2 meter. So 2.00 and 0.05. So add them. So 502. Okay, so these two when you add, you are getting 3.20, and these two when you add, you are getting 2.05. Okay, now you have to add. We have to find the total length, no? So we have to add. Okay, so adding them. So length is equal to 3.20, yes, plus 2.05. When you add, you get 5. Okay, so 2 here, here 5. Okay, now what is the total length of the cloth? 5.25 meter. Okay, so we have both is in meter, no? We have converted centimeter to meter. Okay, so and now we added both. We got 3.20 meter, and this was also in meter. Okay, so our answer is 5.25 meter, which is the total length of the cloth brought. Clear? Question number 5. Naresh walked 2 km 35 meter in the morning and 1 km 7 meter in the evening. How much distance did he walk in all? Okay, so distance, what is the unit we use for distance? It is kilometer and meter. Okay, here Naresh is walking some distance in the morning and some distance in the evening. Okay, now how much distance did he walk in all? Okay, what is the meaning? In all means also it is addition. Okay, not only total alone is not addition. Okay, how much distance did he walk in all together, or all means addition. Okay, here also we can see two different units, kilometer and meter. Okay, we will convert it into one unit first. Okay, so which unit will we will convert? Which is the bigger unit here, kilometer or meter? Kilometer. Okay, so we will convert it into kilometer and then we will add them. Clear children? Next, solution for fifth one. Okay, so here distance walked in the morning and distance walked in the evening is given. We have to find the total distance walked. Okay, so since total distance, we have to add them. Okay, now here one is in kilometer and the other is in meter. So we have to convert it into same unit. Okay, so that is the bigger unit is kilometer. So we have to convert it to kilometer. Okay, now we know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, now from this formula, what is 1 meter? So 1 meter is equal to 1 divided by 1000 kilometer. Yes or no? This is the formula. Okay, so now 35 meter we are converting to kilometer. So from this, what is 35 meter? Can we write it as 35 divided by 1000? Yes? Okay, so 35 divided by 1000. I told you fraction, how can we write it in decimal? So denominator count how many zeros? 1, 2, 3 zeros. But numerator we have only 2 numbers. So what we have to do? We have to add a 0. Yes? So 0, 3, 5. Okay? So 3 zeros. So place decimal point before 3 numbers. Okay? And add a 0 here. Okay? So 0.035 kilometer. Okay. Now this 35 meter we have written in kilometer. Now next, this 7 meter also we have to write it in kilometer. Okay. So 7 meter is equal to, can I write 7 by 1000? Okay. Which is equal to, denominator there are 3 zeros. Numerator there is only one number. So we have to put the 7 here. Okay. So 3 zeros. So decimal point should be before 3 numbers. There is only one number. So how many zeros we have to add? 2 zeros we have to add. Okay. 3 zeros in the denominator. So now there are 3 numbers. So place decimal point. Okay. And add a 0. Okay. Now 0.007 kilometer. Okay. Now we have to add. Okay. So here 2 kilometer, 35 meter, it is 0. So plus 0.035 kilometer. Yes. We have to add this plus total distance. So that plus 1 kilometer and 7 meter we have converted to kilometer. So it is 0.007 kilometer. This step is clear. Now we have to add this 2 and then we have to add this 2. Then both answers we have to add because we have to find the total distance. Okay. Now let us add this 2 kilometer and 0.035. So 0.035. Yes. So here we have to place a decimal point, add 3 zeros. Clear. Now adding them, 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 3 is 3. 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay. 2 plus 0 is 2. Okay. So decimal point is before 3 numbers. So place a decimal before 3 numbers. Okay. So now this, both are kilometers. So this is also kilometer. Same way we have to add these two. Okay. So 1 and now 0.007. So here place a decimal, add zeros. Okay. Now adding them, 0 plus 7 is 7. 0 plus 0, 0. Again 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. So 1.007, it is kilometer. Okay. So now this one we have written in kilometer. This fully we have written in kilometer. Now we have to find the total distance. So these two answers we have to add. Okay. So 2.035, 1.007, adding them. Okay. So 5 plus 7. How much? 12. So 2 carry over 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay. So decimal point is before 3 numbers. So place decimal before 3 numbers. Clear. So total distance walked in the morning and evening both together, it is 3.042. What is the unit? Kilometer. Clear, children?